Namaskar and very good evening to all. My lord, may I now seek kind permission of the chair to declare the function as open?
Yes, please start.
Thank you, my lord. The function is declared open. We are now in phase 10 of launching of paperless courts in the state of Odisha, which is an ongoing project, and the Honorable High Court in every month adding more and more paperless courts in the state. In this month, 25 more paperless courts in phase 10 in various jurisdictions of the state are ready for functional, and the total tally will be 360. My Lord, Honorable Chief Justice Chakravarti Saran Singh, Chief Justice, High Court of Odisha, will be shortly inaugurating these 25 paperless courts in various jurisdictions through virtual mode in the presence of the Honorable Companion Judges of the High Court of Odisha. On this occasion, I, Pratap Kumar Patra, Registrar General, on behalf of the High Court of Odisha, extend a heartiest welcome to Honorable the Chief Justice, all our Honorable Companion Judges, District Judges, Judicial Officers, Officers of the Registry, Office Bearers and members of the respective bar associations, members of the print and electronic media, and all the dignitaries present today at the inaugural ceremony of 25 paperless courts in phase 10 in various jurisdictions of the state of Odisha. May I now humbly request my Lord, Honorable Chief Justice K.R. Mahapatra, Judge High Court of Odisha and Chairman of the IT and AI Committee to kindly deliver the welcome address to the August gathering. My Lord, please.
Thank you. Namaskar and a very good afternoon to you all. My Lord, Honorable Justice Sri Chakravarti Saran Singh, Chief Justice of High Court of Odisha, my companion members of the IT and AI Committee, my sister and brother judges present physically and through online, Mr. Pratap Kumar Patra, Registrar General and officers of the registry, my esteemed Mr. Soumya Saurabh, the CPC, esteemed district judges, other judicial officers of the state, President, Secretary and other office bearers of the different bar associations and members of the state bar associations who have joined virtually to witness the opening of 25 paperless courts, members of the print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the IT and AI Committee and Odisha High Court, I extend a hearty welcome to this momentous occasion. As you all know, in a few moments, our Chief Justice will be opening 25 more paperless courts in 14 districts. As you also know that it is an ongoing process. We have already opened 291 paperless courts in 9 phases. Today is the 10th phase and we are going to open 25 paperless courts. We will have 25 more paperless courts. This is a transitional stage and we need perseverance and patience to achieve the goal. Time is not too far than that our judiciary, the state judiciary, will be paperless. So all the stakeholders are requested to cooperate, to strive hard and march ahead to achieve the goal. By this time, all of you must have known the advantages of the paperless courts. So at present, the presiding officers are only conducting paperless courts, but the advocates are handling physical briefs to argue the matter. So they are the main stakeholder to cooperate to have a complete paperless judiciary. In 9 phases, we have already opened 291 paperless courts, and we have completed paperless courts in 8 headquarters of the 8 districts, namely the Baleshwar, Baud, Gajpati, Ganjam, Khordha, Koraput, Malkangiri, and Sambalpur. Today, in 10th phase, we will have two more district headquarters, which will be paperless judiciary. Those are Deogarh and Jagatsinghpur. In phases, we'll be having paperless courts in outlying stations also. We are trying hard and making endeavor to see that we are having paperless courts in outlying stations also. So this is an advantage, and all should take this facility. Time is not too far that all of us have to adhere to the paperless courts. So why not we should adopt it now? So I request all of you to cooperate in this novel attempt to make the Odisha judiciary paperless. I again welcome you all, more particularly the presiding officers and the advocates of the 25 courts, which will be paperless in a few moments. Thank you all. Namaskar.
Thank you, my lord, for the warm and heartfelt welcome extended to our honorable guests. May I now humbly request my lord Honorable Justice Chakrathari Saran Singh, Chief Justice, High Court of Odisha, to kindly inaugurate 25 paperless courts in various districts of the state. My lord, please. Thank you, my lords. Now I humbly request my Lord Honorable Chief Justice Chakrathari Saran Singh, Chief Justice, High Court of Odisha, to kindly deliver the inaugural address. My lord, please.
My sister and brother judges, the Registrar General of the High Court, the district judges, other judicial officers, the members of the registry, and most importantly, the learned advocates, their representatives, who have joined today's function online. With today's inauguration, 10 district courts of the state are going to be paperless. It's not an ordinary feat, something great for the state of Odisha. We are the best in the country because of relentless efforts which have been made by the High Court administration with the support of the government and cooperation of the lawyers and judicial officers. There are 3 fundamentals for paperless court. First of them is the digitization of judicial records. That is in process, and I have been told that it is on the verge of completion. Is it? It is on the verge of completion. The second most important aspect for paperless court is e-filing of cases. If we go for physical filing, then the process of digitization of physical records shall remain an endless process. So a time must come when we should take a decision to do away with the requirement of physical filing of cases, of pleadings, or so that is to be done. Third aspect is the equipments. All of you have been provided. You can run the computer which you are having. I think I am also having the same laptop for paperless hearing, paperless court. There is yet another aspect, and that is training. Training to ensure that e-filing of the cases are done. Training to train the judicial officer that they can run paperless courts. Training for the advocates who can participate effectively without papers in the proceedings in the court. I would personally request the members of the bar, particularly their representatives of all the districts who have joined, district civil courts who have joined, please keep in mind that in future, we cannot afford to have the volume of papers which we are having today. We will have to say goodbye, not complete, but to a great extent to the papers. And therefore, you will have to be in the state of preparedness. So be ready and please accept it that the process of e-filing at the district level as on date is optional. It may become compulsory. We will have to make that compulsory. So slowly you train yourself. We are there to help you. It is not that we will be thrusting upon you anything which you cannot bear. We will continue this process, taking you along with us. Without you, we shall not be taking any decision. Contrary to your interests, we shall not take any decision. We shall always be there to help you. But at the same time, I must tell you that we will have to have the process of e-filing, and for that, all of you will have to learn that process. I would congratulate the computer committee of the High Court for the relentless job which they have done. They have been very consistent. I don't know. This is the second time when I am inaugurating. Yes. And this time I am inaugurating 25. Last time, how many had been? 25, 50. 50. There should be a sense of competition also amongst you, that your court should be completely paperless. So the demand should come from the advocates also. The advocates should say that what is this e-filing? Let us know, let us do it. Why paper? If the world is advancing, why should we not compete with them. So this should be the approach of the lawyers. So what I would converse today to the members of the bar, that let representations come from them to the Chief Justice, that see, we want e-filing in our courts, and then I assure you as Chief Justice that I'll extend every cooperation. You cannot be in a position to raise even a grievance that, see, I cannot do e-filing because I am deficient in this. Our system will be there to help you out. So with these words, I would congratulate all the stakeholders, the litigants, the lawyers, law clerks. We are contemplating to initiate a training program for the law clerks. They are very important stakeholders. The judicial officers, I congratulate the whole team, my team, on this occasion. This process will continue in future also. Thank you. Thank you very much. In fact, I wanted to tell judicial officers something more, but I'll try to find out some other better occasion to interact with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Lordship, for the warm and heartfelt address to our honorable guests and encouraging all the stakeholders to march ahead along with the words of advice. Now, may I request my Lord Honorable Dr. Justice Sanjeev Kumar Panigre, Judge, High Court of Odisha, and a member of the IT and AI Committee to kindly present a vote of thanks. My Lord, please.
Good evening, everybody. Respected chair of this session, our most revered Chief Justice, Justice Chakradhari Saran Singh, Chairman of IT Committee and members of the IT Committee, esteemed sister and brother judges, Registrar General, Team CPC, judicial officers joining the virtual mode in this inauguration function, and also the officials of the registry and print and electronic media, and all the participants of this function. We are humbled and overwhelmed for the consent given by our Chief Justice to be part of the program, though he always say, I'm part of the program, no need to thank me. So still it is the formality that dictates us to thank you. Your presence is our strength and your words are our treasure. Your speech has inspired us in many ways. I thank each and everyone for being part of this function. This juncture, the formality intervenes for this vote of thanks, and I thank you for giving me the opportunity for this vote of thanks. The transition to digitization from paper and paperless is the new norm of our judicial system. And power is gained by sharing the knowledge, not by hoarding it. So this paperless system, ecosystem that speaks volume about the sharing of the knowledge through this paperless world. This innovation shall be living example of our values. We appreciate the transformative minds that are there on the other end of the spectrum, and also for the transformative intent from this end. So let's have the transformative regime. Every month we are inaugurating so many paperless courts, and now we have touched 391, which is one of the milestone by itself. And we are going to have more and more paperless, but at the same time, there are a lot of problems we do face while operating the paperless system. So whenever we are trying to address those issues, especially the annotation issue, and we will very shortly, we have requested the CPC to contact to the technical team, and that annotation issue will be solved, and it will feel like as if you are doing the physical paper.
So that kind of experience we will be having very shortly, within maybe 1 or 2 months. And we're trying to have that software liquid text. So that will have a better feeling for the paperless world. And we have, in fact, a lot of things to do in future. And we thank you all for cooperating and, in fact, participating in our endeavor for the this technological innovation, whatever you are doing, and technological steps we are taking in this High Court. And I thank you all and congratulate the new paperless court officers who will be handling the paperless court. And I again request all of you to please feel free to contact the CPC whenever you are encountering any kind of problem with respect to having this paperless court. And we need more and more this e-filing. So e-filing should be encouraged at all stations. Thank you all, and thank you for being part of the paperless ecosystem. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Lordship. I would now seek permission of the Honorable Chair to declare the inaugural function is closed. The function is declared closed. Also, my activities.